S4HANA training. Please hit like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. We will be checking our manual bank reconciliation configuration. Let's go to FB70 to create a new customer invoice. Go to your command field, FB70 for customer invoice. Let's put in a customer. Let's search for a customer. That's my company code. That's okay. Click next. And we'll choose Acme. Invoice date, let's date it on Friday and also the posting date on Friday. And click on test 01. Okay, let's copy that. Calculate tax and let's put that also in our text. Let's put some space. Let's scroll down and our revenue account is 600,000. Okay, let's wait and let's put in 2000 GBP. Let's hit enter and check what's missing. Okay, it's in the past, it's okay. Let's click enter. Requires a valid tax code and we'll search for a tax code. This is output VAT. Let's use the A6 10% and let's check for more errors. We need a true account, and to do that, let's double click our GL account for the account item details. And we'll be putting in on order instead of WBS element. Click search. And our controlling area is TUK2. I think that's it. Selection. Let's search. ZAP2 TUK2. Select. Controlling area and ZTUS. Okay. And we will use this one, 120, type 120, and internal order TUK2. That's what I'm trying to find. Anyway, and let's put in a text. Okay, bank recon, assignment. Let's go back and let's try to simulate. No posting rules exist for AWS. Okay, let's check. Okay, let's simulate. Let's check the error. No posting rules exist for MWS. Something was changed. Anyway, let's change the tax code to correct it. I'll correct that later. Let's just change the tax code to A1. Hit enter. Simulate. Hmm. Okay, let's try to fix this first. No posting rule exists for account key MWS. Let's close this. Let's open a new window /O and go to SIMG or SPRO to open a new window, and then from the SAP Customizing Implementation Guide, let's go to Enterprise Structure. And from the Enterprise Structure node, let's go to Definitions node, and then from Definitions node, let's go to Financial Accounting node. And from Financial Accounting node, let's go to Financial Accounting GL Accounting. Financial accounting, general accounting. It's missing. Let's try to check OB40. Let's try that. Slash N, OB40, and our output tax is MWS, and our MWS is not existing. Somebody might have deleted it. And so let's try to check OBCN slash N, OBCN. Let's click position and let's try to find our tax code MWS, and it's not there. Let's create a new entry and let's put in MWS. That's our tax code. And let's put output VAT so they won't delete it. Let's put it TUK2, and tax type would be output VAT. Okay, that's one. And it's the posting indicator. No posting required. Separate line item. Let's choose separate line item and let's click save. Let's just create a new customizing request and let's put in change settings for tax processing, or let's create settings for tax processing. TUK, TUK2. Click save and then click check or continue or hit enter and the data was saved. So let's check first if this fixed our error. Let's try to check it. Simulate. Okay, our transaction was fixed, and so again, go to OBCN when that happens, but most probably it won't happen to you. Somebody deleted my configuration for output fat. Okay, that's okay. And we have an error. This is for the text. That's line 3 for the text. Let's double click or click it and then hit choose. And this is our required text. And so let's, oh, it's not change file. This is boundary contest 01. Let's just put space and let's assign it. Click back and the post is already available. So it means it's okay. We posted it. Okay. So we can check the document right away. But let me save first the document number. Click here so you can copy the document number. Highlight the document number and copy it. And you may paste it in your Excel. And then we can go check the transaction details or the entries, hit document, and then display. Even if it's already not there, the last one will be displayed. So bank recon test TUK2 and my entries are output pad, output pad. Okay. So there's no bank yet since this is recorded as accounts receivable. Let's check the general ledger view. Yes, it's trade receivable and revenue and the output VAT. Let's go back. So let's just make it an easy one, just one transaction. And let's clear the customer invoice and put in our bank account. So go to /n to your command field or the T code F-28 to clear the transaction. Remember your document number. So the document, we can place the document number here. That's why we needed to place it there. The document date. Let's put it as in today. Okay. And the house bank account. Let's search for it. And click on the GL column field to sort the GL accounts. And then we will use the 9, ending in 9. Let's try to use this one, HSBC, current account. So this is the main account, and then this is the incoming receipt. So this is an order. So we'll be using incoming receipt. Okay, so let's put the amount later on. Let's just process open items. Document number field. Okay, let's click this one. Do not fill document number field. Okay, let's not. Let's open process items. Yes, okay, it will be ignored. We will put in later. Open item selection. The account specified there's no reference. Let's check our account. Okay, we used Acme as customer. So B is for customers. Okay, good. So let's try to open process items. So this is already selected. So let's go back. Okay. And now we will put in our posting key. Our posting key is 40. You may check the 40. That's debit entry. Okay. And the account, this will be our cash account. The chart of accounts is the AB2. That's my chart of accounts. Click check or click next and sort the GL account column to sort the GL accounts. And we will use this one, the one with ending 1, incoming receipt. Okay. And then click save. And the amount is 2000. Okay. Save. And our document was saved. So let me just copy our document number. I'll click the notification below, highlight your document number, and then paste your document number to your Excel. Let's close this one and let's view. So immediately after saving or posting, you can display your document. Just go to document and click display. So we will see our transaction. Yes, okay, this is our customer Acme Manufacturing and it's in our incoming bank account. That's good. Let's check the general view. Okay, so HSBC in. Yes, that's our short description and then trade receivable, trade receivables. Okay, so let's go back. This time we'll create, go back. Yes, this time let's create a vendor invoice. So one incoming and then one outgoing. Let's go to our command field, type in FB60, create a new vendor invoice. Let's search for a supplier. and put in your company code minus the UK2. That's okay. Click continue. Okay, so let's choose this one, Tech Supply Solution US. Okay, and our reference is Bank Rec Contest, and let's put into, okay, copy that, and we need to put in our invoice date. Let's put it last Friday again, and the date as, let me put the text first that I have copied back, Rec Contest 02, and then the, let's scroll to the left. The invoice date, I'll be putting it also as the posting date. And let's calculate for tax. Let's leave the amount, let it be calculated automatically. And let's search for an expense account. ZAB2, that's okay. That's our chart of accounts. Sort the GL accounts by clicking on the column field, and we'll be finding an expense. Scroll down, scroll down. Let's put it on a subscription. Okay, we're subscribing something from our tech supply solutions. Let's put in 300 GBP. Let's click enter and find out what's missing. So there's no error. Event tax. Okay, let's just simulate it. It will give us an error. It's in the past, that's okay. And tax is required. Let's put in our standard rate. Let's use B1. Okay, 17.5%, and then enter, and we need to put in a text. So let's put in, oops, not that one, this one, Bank Contest 02. Let's put it that. Okay, let's hit enter and check. Okay, no more errors. Click simulate. No posting rules yet for BST. I think we have the same error. Our posting rule was deleted. So let's go back to, I think I haven't closed that yet. Okay, I haven't closed it. This is T-code OBCN, and go back. Let's try to find again. So VST, we need VST for out input that. Okay, let's try to find it first. I click position, put the process VST, and it's missing. So let's click a new entry and put in VST, and then let's put output and no input fat. Okay, let's just copy this one and then change it to input fat. So the tax type is input fat, that's number 2, and we will not check not deductible, and we will not check not distinct, but let's put it in a separate line. That will be number 2 again, and click save. So it should be fixed now. Let's try to hit enter. Okay, great. Let's simulate. Let's check if there's an error. There's an error. I think again it's a required text. You have an error, C error lag, and it's E. Item 003 must be corrected. So this is item 003. So click on it, and it's thinking, okay, it's already gone inside, and you can see that my text is required. Let's put in, no, that's that one. Library contest, it's number 2. And let's put an assignment, and then let's go back. Okay, our transaction was created. Let's go back. automatically created line items. Oh no. Oh. So let's simulate again. I haven't clicked. Oh, still error. Yes. Let me put in. I put in all the details. Let's click post. Okay, my transaction was posted. Let's click the document number just to save it. And so let's copy paste it to your Excel. Let's close this one. And you can check the transaction by going to the document menu and then to display. So this is our transaction with output VAT. And okay, text solutions 300, subscription is 250, and then it was added the our VAT, input VAT in general view. That's it. Okay, looking good. And we have our automated cost center and profit center. And let's go back. I think that's it. Let's now clear the vendor invoice slash n to your command field and then type in F-53. Okay, last time they didn't want us to put in the document number. That's okay. So let's put down here our account. So that's my chart of accounts, CAB2. And let's click the GL account column to sort the GL account. So outgoing for HSBC is 132. Let's double click that. And the account, our vendor. Yes. Let's search for it into UK2, company code, and we choose this one, tech supply. Double click or click check for next. Let's enter to check if there are still required. Okay, it's okay to be ignored so we can check the details when we go inside. Yes, you need to ignore that if you want to review first the amount if there are a lot of line items. This is already selected. That's why when we scroll to the right, it's already assigned a negative 300 and 300. Okay, so this is our amount. We can copy that 300 and then go back. And then our posting key right now would be 50 for credit. Let's double. No, there's too many. Let's just put in 50. We will see that this is credit. Okay, and then our account will be our bank. Okay, let's search it. Long text. Put in your chart of accounts. Mine is CAB2. Click enter. Sort it by clicking on the column, and I'll be sorting it in GL accounts. And this is my outgoing payment. Double click or click check for next. And I think that's it. If you want to put in doc header, that's not bank recon bank recon test 02. Okay, and then bank recon. Let's just copy that recon test 02. Okay, and hit enter. And we need to put the amount here that's we copied earlier. That's 300, and save it. Okay, our document was posted. Let's copy the document number for reference. Let me highlight it and then paste it to my Excel and then close this one. And we can check out immediately our transaction by going to document menu and then display. Okay, that's correct. This is HSBC out and then our tech supply solution was debited and credited our bank account to reduce the bank out. And let's check the general ledger view, and then that's correct. Bank out, and then the vendor is a trade payable. Okay, let's go back. So just before we do the bank reconciliation, let's check first the GL line entries. And from your command field, type /n and then FBL for the FBL line reports, and then 3 for GLs, and then for new, enter our GL account. Let's click this one, multiple selection, and choose our bank accounts. Let me just paste it. So the 9 series is the main, and this is the 1 series is the incoming receipt, and the 2 series is the outgoing payment. So let's execute that. And yes, okay, open items, and let's search for it. Okay, so we have this document number. We will be needing these document numbers for our bank reconciliation. And then this is for the vendor. That's negative. For the vendor, it's going out. And this is for the receipt or collection from our customer. And our bank account and the net is 1,700. For the main bank account, there's no transaction yet for the main bank account. We have just created all these three GL accounts. So let's do the bank reconciliation. So we will leave this one. So from your command field, type /o and FF67 for your bank reconciliation. So we need a variant. Let's just search for our variant. I think this one, we created this one, the ABS2. Double click that and then click check. Make an entry mandatory for field processing type. Okay, let's check this one. Okay, let's try to check it first. Processing type, it's mandatory. And let's use this one, number 4, further processing online. We have only few transactions, so we can do it online. Okay, let's choose our bank account. So let's put in HSBC1 and then our statement number. Let's just put 5 for the month of May. Statement date. Let's put it on today's date. And we'll be needing opening balance and closing balance. So since this is a new uh, bank, the opening balance is 0 and the closing balance is, we don't actually have the bank statement, but if all of these transactions cleared the bank, our balance would be this one. Okay, let's copy 1,700. It's easier just to type in. Okay, then posting date will be today. Okay, let's scroll down. Let's see if there are other details that we need to type in. So I think that's it. Let's click on continue button. This one, let me just put it my window in the middle. Click continue, and we need a bank account. Bank account does not exist. Now what? Let's double click Let's double check our house bank. Let's click new window and let's type in FI12 and then the position. Company code is TUK2. Okay, highlight that and then click house banks and this one, HSBC. We're trying, yes, HSBC, and then bank accounts, read access, it's okay. And yes, I have typed in HSBC1, bank, bank key, bank account. Give me this one bank account number. Yes, go check. Bank name, region. Let's copy this one to bank account. Bank key, let's double check the bank key. There we have the bank key. Okay, let's just double check if there's another account number here. Okay, let's try it again. I think that's it. Let's click continue. First statement. Okay, let's put it because it's already May, it should be the 5th. Okay, let's just so we can do the other months later on if we want it. Let's put 5. That's okay. It's just a warning. First statement. It's just a warning. Let's go in. So for the transaction type, remember we have created transaction type. Let's just search for it. Let's click this one. And there's a lot of transactions created by other users. But what I remember, we use Z, okay, ZAB1 for incoming and ZAB2 for outgoing. Maybe I'll put into UK for this one. So just to make sure. Let's do that right now. Let's use this window. We won't be using this one now. And I have saved the long T code. So /n. Chart of accounts is ZAB2. And account symbol. Let's try to go straight here, create keys for posting rules. And our key should be here, ZAB1 and ZAB2. Okay, let's put in our company code TUK2 so we won't miss it out. Click save and let's find our request. And we have create keys for posting key, create keys for posting this one. Create posting keys for okay, this one. Double click it and then click check next and then save. Okay, the data was saved. Let's try to check if we will be able to see the changes immediately. No. Anyway, let's try to go back and then click continue. Yes, ignore the 5 and then try to search it for again. Let's see if we will. It's not there. It's okay. So we'll do it next. We will need to go out and fill out the details again. So let's just continue with this one and put in ZAB1 for our incoming. And then the value date is today. Let's just put it today. Okay, the value date will be from your bank statement, and the amount is, you can check it from our FBL3N. No, that one. Where's my window? This one. Remember, this will be from the bank, but we need the details also from our transaction. Our amount is, for the incoming is 2000. Okay, that's it, 2000 GBP. Let's put it in here. And our document number is this one, 14 and 0007. Okay, our connection was terminated. Let's just encode it again, FF67 in your command field. That's our bank reconciliation. And to get my bank keys, I need to go to FI12 and click position for our company code TUK2. Okay, hit enter, highlight this. Our company code, let's highlight that and double click the house banks. And it will be HSBC. I highlighted HSBC and then double click the bank accounts. Yes, it's read only. That's okay. And our, what we need is bank key. Our bank key is this one. Okay. And our bank account is this one. And statement number, the month of May. Statement date is our current date. And then opening balance is 0. Closing balance is from the GL report. Let's open that one. That's from our command feed, type /O and then FBL3 for GL and then N for new, enter, and select multiple selection for our GL accounts. So these are our SHBC new GL accounts, 9 with series 91 and 2. Okay, execute that, and company code is TUK2. Okay, and open items, it's okay for open items. And this will be the, supposed to be, this will clear, this transaction will clear the bank. So we don't have a bank, actual bank statement. But if it cleared the bank and this is a new bank and transaction, then this will be our ending 1700. So let's just put in 1700. Let's put it here, 1700. Let's scroll down and check if we missed anything. It's okay. Let's click continue, and bank key does not exist. Bank key. So what's bank key? Bank key. Let's enter bank account. Take this one. This is a bank account number, not the house bank. Okay. Hit enter, and it's not our first statement supposedly. And click transactions and scroll down. Our changes should, it's not yet here. Okay, let's click incoming. Our value date is today, and then the amount is this one to 2000, and doc number. This is a receipt. ZAB1 is a receipt. Let's go to our report. We will be needing the transaction number. This one, 14000 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, but you want the actual value date here. You can also go to change here, change layout, and include the value date. Search for it. Value date. Okay, let's put it just before the text and include show fields. Okay, copy, and our value date is here. 12/5. We can, okay, and we can save this layout. Let's name this layout user specific. So slash Z, that's just ZF Bank. Okay. And UK, okay, to uh, bank record UK. Okay, so we can easily find it. Use a specific layout must be standard with letter A to Z. Okay, okay, let's go here. And now let's put in our outgoing payment. Let's put in the same value date as today, and the amount is 300. Just to double check, let's go to our report. I think this is it, and it should be negative for outgoing. Okay, let's put in negative. And our document number, let's find document number here. This one, 15 with 8 zeros to 7 zeros. 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 1. Okay, I think that's it. Okay, let's just hit enter to double check. And then let's save it. Okay, the statement was saved. Let's review the details. The zero was removed. Okay, bank key, bank account number. Okay, that's it. That's it. And then click post. We have posting error. So let's check. Let's try to reprocess it. And let's open a new window, and reprocessing it is in Feban. Article is FEBAN. So welcome to bank statement post processing. Let's put in partial payments. And we have a check at the right side. Functions. Okay, let's try not to put in anything there. And we check. Okay, our company code is TUK2. Our house bank is this one, HSBC. Account ID, I think we have that here. Account ID, HSBC, HSB01. Statement number, we have put in 5. Statement date is today. I think let's try to check it. It's okay, but let's put in all items in subledger all items. Posting date. Okay, let's check it again. It's, there's no errors. And then execute it. And our gel account should be the 110,139. Okay. And let's select also the other one. Let's check here. Let's enter. And account was up there. And highlight this one. And then click enter. It should be there. I double check the line. No. Let me save that and double click, highlight my second line. It's not there. Double click the second line. Okay, and change our bank. If you want to double check, we can search it. Our chart of accounts is ZAB2 and sort by GL account. And this is our bank account. Okay, and then hit enter. It should be there at the top. It's enter or this one, scan. Okay, so let's save that. And the error still there. Let's simulate. The difference is too large. Scroll down. Okay, and let's double check 4,000. We're already not using that. Scroll up and account assignment, transaction amount. Let's use credit. Okay, I put in shell account 31. See, enter. Okay, and for the next one, no, let's click save first. And for the next one, double click the next line, and the difference is 3. We will use the number 2 for the outgoing, and we will debit the 300. Okay, so 0. So the amount transaction negative 300 will go to the main account, and it will add 300. It reduced. This will add 300 because out it was reduced to the out bank. So that will clear that out. So let's simulate. I'm not using this one. So that's the posting key. Posting key 50. Credit entry. We will be using the bank. Let's remove that. We'll be using, okay, let's sort by the jail account, and we'll be using 139. Let me double check. SA currency GBP reference. Okay, the doctex header. And this is an outgoing payment. And this is the credit. Credit is a reduction to the bank, and we will reduce the main account. Okay, let's enter. It's correct. We will debit the out, so they will reduce that other line items. Okay, let's hit enter. Let's click post. Okay, we cleared that one. So let's go to the first one. So the amount transaction will be debited to 139. That's a positive, and the bank in will be reduced in credit here. So let's simulate. So incoming payment, that's debit. We will debit. That's debit. That's increase. Let's go 40. Okay. And we will increase, not that one. We will increase our bank account, and let's sort by GL account, and we will increase this one, HSBC, the main account. Okay, let's check by hitting enter. Okay, it will reduce the bank in, and will transfer it to clear it to the uh, main account. Okay, let's post that. And all items are cleared. Document was posted. So let's see. Okay, let's check our transactions in the report. See, I think this is open. And then from here, the list, you can have refresh or F8. Okay, so for the incoming receipt, this was cleared. So that's why we uncheck the um, clearing account here in the GL. Let me show you in FS00. Let's type in slash O for new window FS00. Our window is not opening. Okay, that's it. That's that. Let me close and this one and then this one and okay. And let's hit enter and remember this one. We from the control data, let's scroll down and that's why we need uh, this uncheck open item management. So we can see here that no open items were created. And we cleared that with our bank reconciliation. This one, we cleared that out with our reconciliation and it went to the bank account. The same transaction. That's 27 and then this is 27. Oops, let's see. Yes, that's the uh we added here to clear. So that's reduction in the main account. Okay. And then this one is the addition to the main account. We cleared it out in our incoming receipts. So we have the ending balance of 1,700. So that's it. We created a bank reconciliation and reviewed it properly. And our manual bank reconciliation is working properly. Thank you.